Wagwan people, them welcome to the channel O'Meal's Way. Today, we're going to show you how to cut up your chicken for Jamaican recipes. So brown stew chicken, curry chicken. Yes, curry chicken, not chicken curry. Curry chicken. You put the powder of the chicken on the curry and I'm not arguing nobody. Yeah, so it's going to be two-part video. One, how to cut up your chicken for Jamaican recipes, the whole chicken. And then part two, if you're interested, click your card up here, so, and you're going to get the next part for how to cook your Jamaican curry chicken. Yeah, so first, let's get into the video. First, I'm just going to get the chicken, just open it, cut the string off of it, and then we're going to get straight into it. Then I'm literally just going to take my knife, cut it down the middle. Now you can do it like section it off, but because we're going to cut it all up, a nice knife and sharp, just going to cut through it just like that. Yeah, I got the right so I'm going to cut off the chicken body. Kind of like the way I'm going to use it. Yeah, then see, all them little spots, you know, you're going to clean out. See, straight down the middle. Chicken cut in half. Let's put another bowl to the side. Focus on the half. Other half now. You're going to cut it, turn it on the side. See right here, so that's the section off you're going to cut. So if I just get the knife straight through, see, simple. Use the palm of your hand, look up pressure, done. No hard work. And then this way you just turn it over. Just use a knife, follow it around, nice and simple. Now you can use the skin if you want. Just take off the skin. In fact, even if you want, when you cut those as well, you could take the skin, wash it, and fry it and use the skin. Use the one from the chicken. I'm just going to literally peel the skin all the way up. It's right here, so the knuckle now. I could peel it off. I'm just gonna take that there, so see, nice and simple, just cut straight through. Really, I should take the chicken off of the board, but I'm being lazy. Well, not lazy, I'm just going like how mother cook it in my yard when I try to be something else you eat. So I clean off that. You could cut that off if you don't want it on it, I don't mind it. Yeah? Put that in another bowl. Then for the breast, same thing. Just going to take off the skin. Yeah? Just literally peel it off. If you want, you can always wear gloves. If you don't like touch chicken, but when I say you're going to have meat, I don't want to touch it, so each their one, I'm not there for judge you. If you like wear gloves, at the same time it's less mess, less chance of cross contamination. This little part here, so now this little piece of flesh will come off. Just get your knife. Done. There's a little joint there, so see? Boom, done. See it right there, so the bone will come out. Some people cut this part off. I actually like it, so I'll leave it on there. Now we're just going to cut it up. Some chunks, isn't it? Keep the bone in it. If you want to feel the little joint in this for the chicken, you can. See it there? Simple. Just cut out that little niblet. Another piece. And just chunk him up how you want. That's a nice piece, but I'm going to cut it in half. Again, just use that part of the knife. Boom, clean cut. Cut that down the middle in half. And there you go. Simple. And cut this in 4. And same thing again. Leg and thigh. Just feel for the joint. In a heart with fine. Right this way. Yeah? And then bust this in a couple of pieces. You see? Same again, the one next joint to this one. Cut it so at least then the bone really split up as much. Bust it down the middle. And this one you have some flesh it up so you can get them with enough with that. And if you want, you can cut this in 2 again. Straight down the middle. So the bone don't splinter. But no one has splinter under the amount. So literally, that's just half the chicken. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut this in 2. And that's all I need, but I'm gonna cut up the rest. I'm gonna use the half for something else. Make some patty or something I may have in my fridge to make later. This time I'm just asking everybody. See? Woohoo! I know, and that's what they teach you to keep skin for when you're in a kitchen at college. When you have the chef thing. And again, these days you never clean meat, so anyway, everything come clean. When you go to a restaurant, they don't wash their meat. That's all that you know. Unless you go to a Caribbean restaurant, then have the food shop. The takeaway. See it there? I'm done. The only thing when you don't use gloves, like your knife handle get all slimy when you clean the skin. So, nada. Sometimes I can't, but I'm just and yeah, that time meat done. See, cut it down the middle, bust him. Okay, so now you have the part that you can cut in 2. This 4. So yeah, that's my whole chicken. You see me talk about the part here? You can just make sure you clean it up beforehand. If you wash your chicken before you cut it up, you can do that, but last time I like to cut it up first. Wash my hand. Now I'm do. I put my vinegar in a bowl first, but come on, yes, what I do. So I'm gonna put some white vinegar or still vinegar. Any kind of vinegar, it doesn't really matter. 2 of them there. Well, I put 3. Okay. So 3. Put in the vinegar, wash it off, then we go and season it. So that's more or less it, guys. Just wash off the chicken now. Get ready to season it up. So for this video, I'm going to do a curry chicken. You're going to see it. So you can stay tuned for that. But it's just a simple way of cutting up the chicken my way, my take. So let me know what you're thinking in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, all that goodness. Until next time, enough love and peace. My God.